Madras thorn, a leguminous tree scientifically known as Pithecilibum dulce, carries a rich history, entwined with human migration and the complex interplay between humans and the natural world. Its journey begins in the heart of the Americas, stretching from the diverse ecosystems of Mexico through the vibrant tapestry of Central America and into the lush landscapes of South America. Here, within this cradle of biodiversity, indigenous cultures have long recognized and utilized the Madras thorn's multifaceted gifts. The Maya civilization, for instance, is believed to have incorporated the tree into various aspects of their lives, harnessing its resources for sustenance, healing, and even construction. The tree's presence extended beyond human use, as it played a role in the intricate web of life. Its seeds dispersed by both human hands and the curious, beaks of birds and the paws of mammals, gradually expanding its natural range across the American continent. The arrival of Europeans in the Americas marked a pivotal moment in the Madras thorn's global odyssey. Spanish and Portuguese explorers, captivated by the tree's resilience and the multitude of benefits it offered, carried its seeds across vast oceans, introducing it to new lands far beyond its original home. Southeast Asia, particularly the enchanting archipelago of the Philippines and the vibrant islands of Indonesia, became fertile ground for the Madras thorn's introduction. Here, the tree found a welcoming environment, its adaptability allowing it to thrive in the diverse climatic conditions and soil types of these tropical regions. The Madras thorn's versatility quickly endeared it to the local populations. Its sweet, white pulp, encasing the tree's black seeds within its coiled pods, proved to be a delightful treat, enjoyed fresh or transformed into a variety of refreshing beverages and delectable sweets. Beyond its culinary appeal, the Madras thorn offered a valuable resource for livestock, its leaves and pods providing a nutritious source of fodder for animals. The tree's medicinal properties were also recognized, with traditional healers in various regions incorporating different parts of the tree into their remedies for a range of ailments, from digestive disorders to skin conditions. Even in the realm of construction, the Madras thorn found a place, its wood, though not of the highest quality, serving as a suitable material for basic structures and as a source of firewood. The tree's aesthetic appeal was not overlooked either, its glossy green leaves and fragrant blossoms adding a touch of elegance to gardens and lining the edges of roads, creating a visual spectacle that enhanced the beauty of the surrounding landscape.